The Song of My Life. Yan ang tema ng mga kinanta nila kagabi. And as the top 10 are all hanging on for dear life as they wait for the people's verdict, let's take a look at the highlights of last night's gala performance.
The gala performance last night caused a pandemonium inside the Center Stage Mall of Asia as a multitude of fans went wild as they cheered for their favorite idols. Gave it all, their heart and soul.
They don't know that I come running home when I fall down.
Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands.
The greatest love.
Robbie, Ogie said, you have a great voice, but your performance wasn't as clean as you wanted it to be. Sabi ni Jolina, nasobrahan ka ng pag-style, kaya nawawala sa tono. But Wingard, he disagreed again, only had 2 words, ang galing. Penelope and Robbie, I'm sure alam nyo na, one of you will be safe, and one will join Daryl and Sue in the bottom group. After the nationwide vote, Penelope, say goodbye to Robbie. You were in the safe group. Congratulations. Robbie, please join Daryl and Sue. Philippines, ito ang bottom group nyo ngayong gabi. Daryl, Sue, and Robbie. Who will move out of the competition? Tutukan niyo yan sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Idol. We would like to thank the following: Pantene, Jollibee, Lipton Milk Tea, Smart Buddy, Memo Plus Gold, Nokia 5310 Express Music, and SM Supermalls. I'd like to thank Bench, Dr. Vicky Bello, and Adahar Dental Services. Our musical director, Mr. Danny Tan, the members of the band and the opera, our backup singers, and of course the members of the press. Right now, hindi namin kayo bibitinin because we are sending someone to the safe zone. And it's you. Sue, you are safe. Congratulations. It means it's between Daryl and Robbie. But bago yan, gusto ko matanong ang judges natin, how do you feel na silang dalawa ang nandito ngayong gabi?
Ako nalulungkot ako for Robbie because Robbie is really, vocally, he's better than a lot of the singers here today. I have no qualms about saying that. Buong tapang ko sasabihin yun na he's really one of the better singers. So I feel bad for him.
Okay. Jolina.
Parang sa akin, hindi rin ako makapaniwala na dyan si Robbie. Kasi parang, hindi talaga. Parang hindi naman worth it yung isang gabi na masabihan siya ng nawawala sa tono tapos parang mapunta siya agad dyan. Sa lahat ng mga ring performance niya.
Wingard, are you shocked or hindi pa rin?
Hindi pa rin. Quiet. Ang akin lang, ang nasusunod talaga mga text voters. So ang maapila ko sa mga text voters na sana maging really objective sila. Nakikiusap kami. Hindi madali sa iba, lalo na yung kamag-anak, kaibigan. But always remember, we are looking for the first Pinoy Idol magre-represent sa atin globally, Asian Idol, and sa ibang lugar. Huwag nyo kaming sisihin. Pag ang napili ninyo, ang manalo rito, hindi ninyo gusto kasi kayo ang may kasalanan. Ngayon, sa dalawang itong nandito, ayokong malungkot dahil hindi ko pinangarap malungkot linggo-linggo. Isa lang talaga ang mananalo, ulit-ulitin ko yan. And so, yun lang ang pakiusap ko. Let us vote wisely. Makonsensya kayo. Thank you.
Thank you, judges. The time has come. Daryl, Robbie, one of you will have to leave us tonight. And Daryl, the judges keep saying you need time to grow and improve. And you can do that here on Pinoy Idol. Congratulations, Daryl. I'm sad to say, Robbie, your Pinoy Idol journey ends tonight. Please take your seat, Daryl. Robbie, you're leaving us tonight. Let's take a look at your Pinoy Idol journey.
Oh no, just where I'm going.
Pag sinasabihan ako na naramdaman ko yung kinanta mo, parang you touched my heart with what you sang. Pag yun sinabi sa akin, parang cloud nine na yung dating.
I'm not the same anymore.
Blessing talaga ang Pinoy Idol sa akin. I want to be remembered for my music and that my music comes from my heart.
Now, lost my own reflection and I can't look down. If you're not
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sad to say, one last time on the Idol stage, Robbie Navarro.
I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Yeah, learning to love yourself is the greatest. It is the greatest love of all. Yeah. Thank you.
Mga kapuso, next week, our top 9 will get the chance to work with Asia's songbird, the one and only Regine Velasquez. Don't dare miss that. Until then, this is Pinoy Idol.